Hi, gang. Welcome to AI in a Minute. I'm Jim. This is Alvin, somewhere around here. And Alvin was telling me there's a couple of issues that people have regarding trying to use Midjourney and understanding the difference between Midjourney and Discord and what they both are. So why don't we spend today for a minute or so to get the basics out of the way so people can start playing in there. So what we're going to do right now is go over to the web, and we're going to take a look first at the Midjourney site, which, believe it or not, is not where you need to start in order to use Midjourney. Because what you need to start is to set up an account in Discord. So what's Discord? Well, it's a text group. It's essentially a place where people can hang out and share and chat. Think about, well, at the basic element of your text information you have on your phone, but more likely like Slack. You know, if you use Slack in your organization, it's a place where you have different channels and different places where people can chat. But it's a lot more than that. It's Slack for gamers. Yet the AI community has truly gotten behind Discord and using it for a place they're sharing a lot of information. And in particular, to get in Midjourney, right now you have to have a Discord account, and you need to use Discord to do that. Now, at some point, Midjourney may bring everything over to their website, most likely right after I complete this entire video. But for now, this is what you need to do. The first thing you need to do is go to Discord, and you need to just get started. You need to get a basic Discord account. There's actually a great article in Discord to show you how to get started. And in fact, a video how Discord works in 148,000 milliseconds. Isn't that so geeky of them? But essentially, you can either download Discord for your desktop, or you can use it as your browser. So either way, I happen to like using it as a download. But the first thing you need to do is go into Discord. You need to get an account, and getting an account is like anything else. You're going to be able to create the account. You're going to put your email, your phone number in there, username, password, firstborn male child, the usual stuff that you put in for everything that you're doing. Then once you've done that, you're going to hop over to Midjourney, because you're going to have information, and you're going to join the beta here. And it will actually launch a Discord account. Now, you may need to sign up for Midjourney as well. And in particular, what you're not seeing here is you will need to sign up for a subscription plan. This is not free. It's $10 a month for the basic plan. So once you have done that in Discord, I should say in Midjourney, it does get confusing even for me, you now need to go back and open up Discord. And what's going to happen is when you go to Discord, and I'm going to use it right now from the bottom of the screen, you're going to see, and we'll even take a step back from here, on the left side, let's make this big screen so you can all see it. These are all different servers. Now, your left side is going to be very empty, but if you go down to the bottom, there's a plus sign. You're going to add a server. What you're going to add is the Midjourney server. You're going to click on this join a server, and you're going to actually get from Discord the URL to enter there. And it will allow you then to be able to then have the Midjourney server within Discord, which will now look something like this. This is right here, the Midjourney server. Actually, we'll use this one, because this is where they have all the information. They're sharing stuff with you. And then there are these little areas, channels on the left side. And what you're looking for if you want to start playing with Midjourney is a newbie room. This newbie room right here is where you can create your art. How do you do that? So we're going to do that next week. So the first week, the first step is going to be this setting up of 2 accounts, Discord and Midjourney. Midjourney so you can pay for the subscription plan that you need, $10 a month, and Discord so you can actually use it. Discord is free, by the way. And if you really want to do text to image and you don't want to pay anything, you might want to consider another alternative, which is called Leonardo.ai. I've mentioned that before, and that will give you the ability to have free images up to a certain amount on a weekly basis. But I'm a big fan of Midjourney. I think it does a great job with the text to image art approach. So first week, you're going to try this. Just go into Discord, set up your account, go into Midjourney, make sure you're on the subscription plan, get comfortable. Next week, what we're going to do is just go over the basics of how to create art. That's all there is. So thanks, Alvin, wherever you might be, for helping out and giving some ideas for what we want to talk about. If you have any questions, always just respond to the comments here, and have a great week. And we'll see you next week, and we'll create our first art next week in AI in a Minute. Be well, gang. Take care.